Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make video gallery in WIX website. So let's go to WIX first. Go to WIX editor option, and you will find here this add apps. Click on add apps. Now you will find here search option. You have to write here WIX Pro. Then you'll find here WIX Pro Gallery. Click on this WIX Pro Gallery. Now you have to click on open. Here you can see your WIX Pro Gallery. You have to click on manage media. Now you can see here add media on top. Click on this add media. Choose video. Now you can hear three options: upload, video, or vmate. You can upload your video from here, from your computer, or you can choose videos from your YouTube channel. So I'm choosing this one, YouTube. Now I have to put here the channel URL, video URL. So I'm going here this YouTube and searching for my YouTube channel and choose one video from here. Right click and choose copy link address. Go back to that add a video site and you have to paste your URL here. Click on add video. Now here you can see that video has been added. Click on done. And now if you want to add another video of YouTube, click again manage media. You can see here your first video. You can select, you can add many video you want. So click on again, you have to do it manually one by one. Go video, again YouTube, then search for a copy link address. Now I have to paste here the link. Click on add video. Hold on for some seconds. You can see that another video has been added here. Okay, now if you click on done, it will be done. So this is how you can add videos randomly one by one and make a gallery in WIX. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.